back to channel Nkateko Waluka. Today I'm going to teach you how to do these coaster flowers. We have decided to do them separate from the tutorial where we were teaching you how to crochet an ear warmer. So because it almost didn't give too much details, we thought, well, for you to easily follow what we did, we have to do this separate. So it almost looked like that in that tutorial. That's why we have decided, okay, let's do this separate. So sit down, enjoy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share with friends so that more and more people learn new things. Let's go through what we need. I suggest you start by using 3 different colors so that you see what you are doing and where it's going. I have decided to use this wool, the Mirage 4-ply, which I chose color peach and sunset and olive. This is a crochet hook that you will need. This is 1.5 millimeter and you need a pair of scissors. We are going to start by making a magic circle. So we start our chain like that. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we bring this together in a circle with a slip stitch like that. Slip stitch, and we chain 1, and this band of chains we are going to cover it with single stitches all around, 12 of them. So that one chain counts as 1, and we do single stitches all around, 12 single stitches. So we have 12 single stitches. We bring that together with a slip stitch, and just to make sure we secure this, you can just slip stitch again there so that you have a secured work. That tail, I think you've seen that I was incorporating it through around so I can cut it. And I'm going to slip stitch, cut and slip stitch also. Slip like that. So we have that circle. I'm just going to quickly hide that because I'm using different colors. So I'll go in there, hook the wool over, bring it back so that it remains beautiful there in front. And at the back here, I put my crochet hook in there, hook over this wool and pull it through. And cut. So I'm remaining with a nice circle like that. I'm going to introduce another color. I'm gonna follow that flower. So I'm going to put a needle crochet hook through that first chain, hook over the working wool and just chain. So I'm gonna make sure I chain at least 2 so that it doesn't come out easily like that. So that tail, you can leave it for now, but there we have our chain. So this row, it will be a row of double stitches. We are going to do a total of 24, which in each chain we will do 2. So that chain counts as 1. So the second chain, we are going to do 2 double stitches. Like that. In each space of chain, we do 2 double stitches. The total should be 24. So as you are working, it will give those sparks there. So let's meet when we are at the end. We are at the end, should be looking pretty like that. Those spikes created by us chaining 2-2. So that tail, I'm just going to cut it. And then do a slip stitch there. So the same thing that we did of hiding the tail, you slip stitch that, hide the tail, and let's meet when we are incorporating the last color. It's already looking gorgeous, but let's continue, make more of this magical. So the same way we have done the chain when we introduced that peach color, we do the same. We do a chain of 3, but this time we're introducing shells that we were doing in our ear warmer, and the shells we were doing in our gloves. So where we do 2 double stitches, chain 1 and 2 double stitches. So with our neck warmer, we were doing a back post or 2 double back posts like that. So even this time we are going to introduce a back post, just that everything matches. So we have done our first shell, we skip that double stitch, and on the second one we do a back post like this, like that. We do a back post, so it will look like that, and then we skip this one. So it's like this back post will be secured with 2 that will look almost like front post, and we skip those, and then we go there. On the following one, we make another shell. Double stitch, chain 1 and 2 double stitches. We repeat the same thing where we did the double stitches. We skip that double stitch, and then we do a back post on the following one like that. I hope you are following. So we skip that because that back post should look like that, is with 2 guards, also that is with 2 guards like that. So we have skipped that, and then on the following one we do another shell. So let's repeat this until we are at the end. We are almost at the end. Remember, we skipped that one and then do our back post. So if you have done well, you have counted 24 of them. It should match like that, and we slip stitch there, but this time we are slip stitching to the window like we were doing our shells like that. So we chain 3, 1, 2, 3. That will count as a back post. We are going to increase the number of double stitches to 4. So we are doing 4 double stitches, chain 2, and 4 double stitches. This is 3, 4, chain 2, and then 4 double stitches in the same window. We have preferred doing this kind of finish because our work in all our neck warmer, our fingerless shell pattern gloves, the ending had this shape, even our ear warmer. So we do our back post, and then there we do another set of 4 double stitches, chain 2, chain 2, and 4 double stitches in the same window. Then from there we do our back post, and we continue like that. So let's meet when we are at the end. Oh, this is so gorgeous. So we are at the end. We just slip stitch at least 2 there, and we cut. I hope you have enjoyed this so much. I have enjoyed making this. I guess you also did. So this is the back. We are going to cut those tails. That's how it looks at the back. And we are going to hide that tail. We're just quickly doing that. You've already seen how we hidden when we're doing the center. We did that. Just make a knot at the bottom there, and we pull our crochet hook through there and wool, and pull it through like that, and we cut. Hey, just share. Let people, girls and boys, do this. And yeah, let's keep doing this. Share, share, share. Bye-bye.